Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of my most recent paper pumpkin. This is the May 2021 Batter Up kit. I know a lot of times people like to see what's in these kits. Oh, look at that. We got some bubble gum. Yay, it goes with the whole Batter Up theme. So the idea with these kits is you never know ahead of time what it is that you're going to get. They give you little sneak peeks, but you never know exactly what you're going to get. You do always get a stamp set. You always get a little ink spot. You always get an advertisement for next month. This one, oh my gosh, these are my colors. Isn't this gorgeous? The purples and pinks, this beautiful artsy background. Can't wait for this one. Now, here, this is the deal about paper pumpkins. They try to cover a whole variety of different needs and styles, just to give people a lot of different options for the types of cards they create. Next month's looks like it's going to be very feminine because of the pinks and purples. And this month, it's good for masculine cards. All right, there I said my sexist thing, because of course, girls can play baseball as well, but the words in here are grandpa and dad and son and uncle. So this is intended to be a masculine set. Also nice because there aren't a lot of masculine sets, and so people might be looking for this kind of verbiage. All right, we'll deal with that bubble gum later. I can smell it. It's pretty strong. Everything always comes wrapped up real nicely, and you get your kits all sealed in plastic with all the parts that you need. The kit contains everything that you need to complete the project, except scissors and possibly some adhesive. And of course, here we are on the bottom of the stack. It also contains the directions. So this kit is going to make cards. They don't all make cards, but most of them do. This one you're going to make 9 different cards, 3 each of 3 different styles. So you can see what the end result is going to look like. And inside, they give you step-by-step instructions for completing the project. And then on the back, if you have additional supplies of your own, they'll give you some ideas for how you could use those supplies along with other stuff you might have at home to make something a little more, to do a little more with this month's kit. And there's also several different resources where people post their own alternate projects online. So let's see what's in this kit. These are dimensionals, so this is adhesives. That little foam things are going to raise them up, and then you've got some twine here to embellish it. Here's your envelopes, and are they all the same? It looks like they are all the same this month. So there's one card front. Even if I wasn't going to make a baseball card, this is a great card front. Again, if I wasn't going to make a baseball, this is a great card front. I love that wood grain that's in there. And this is very generic. So for somebody who gets this kit and goes, meh, I'm not really into baseballs and baseball caps, that's okay. These card bases alone are great card bases. This kit comes with some little self-stick yellow and red dots to decorate your project. And then it's got these punch outs. You can punch out baseball, bats, this Little League image over here, something that says All-Star, just a nice little generic background piece that you can use for layering 2 of them. So one is more rectangular and then the other one's longer. And then you've got something, it's supposed to be a banner, but the first thing I looked at was I thought about a pocket when I saw that. And then of course, you can always turn them over and just use that circle as a layering piece if you'd prefer, or just use this rectangle as a layering piece. These little things are glue dots, so you pull off that little round thing, it's sticky, and then it's got sticky on the side that attaches to the plastic. And then these are intended to stamp your sentiment on, and then you would layer them up with the dimensionals on your project. So there you are. This is the May kit. And I'm actually going to do a Zoom on Saturday morning. So anybody who's got this kit and would like to just Zoom along with me, and we can put our projects together, and maybe I might have a few things planned to show alternate ways to use some of the product that was in this box if you're interested. But if you'd like to Zoom along with me next Saturday morning, just drop a comment below and I will make sure that you get the Zoom link. And then this is the reminder, this is what next month is going to be. And if you want to make sure that you get that one, then make sure that you are subscribed by the 10th. in order to get this kit.